Tired of your marketing emails disappearing into the digital abyss? Let's transform your Zoho CRM emails from ignored to irresistible in just a minute and a half. First, personalize your sender information. Make sure your from name is recognizable and trustworthy. Like your company name, this simple step dramatically increases open rates. Next, ditch the generic templates. Zoho CRM offers a wide range of customizable options, so select one that aligns with your brand and the message you're conveying. Tailor the colors, fonts, and layout to create a visually appealing and engaging experience. Now, let's talk personalization. Go beyond just adding a first name. Use Zoho CRM's merge tags to insert relevant information, like purchase history or customer interests. This shows you understand their needs and build stronger connections. Stop guessing and start testing. Zoho CRM allows you to A/B test different subject lines, content, and calls to action. Experiment with various approaches to identify what resonates best with your audience and maximize conversions. Finally, make your call to action crystal clear. Use action-oriented language, create a visually distinct button, and place it strategically within the email. Tell your audience exactly what you want them to do. Regularly analyze your email performance using Zoho CRM's comprehensive reporting tools. Track open rates, click-through rates, and conversions to identify areas for improvement and continuously refine your strategy. Start implementing these tips today to create marketing emails that get results.